Chair pose. Utkatasana. In this pose, we must activate the core muscles and stabilize the load-bearing. Eagle pose. Garudasana. This is one of the equilibrium asanas, and to perform it well requires good balanced body alignment in several positions and movement planes. Performance. Take the Tadasana position with legs parallel. Hands on hips. Bend knees slightly, raise the right leg, curl it past the left thigh, and curl the right foot around the left calf. Bound angle pose. Baddha Konasana. In this asana, the pelvis is tilted slightly anteriorly.
Rotations in sitting. Intention of the exercise. Improve hip rotation and extension.
Bound.
Description and instructions. A. Sit with the heels close to you. B. Use hand support and move your hips to one side. One hip will be externally rotated and the other will be internally rotated. C. If possible, release the hands. D. Add hip extension. Main points of reference.
Lower back mobility while standing on all fours. Aim of exercise is improve lumbar vertebrae mobility in the sagittal plane. Instructions: stand on hands and knees. Exhalation: contract abdominal muscles and curve the back up while bringing chin to chest. Inhalation: concave the lower back and perform anterior pelvic tilt, increasing lumbar lordosis. Main points: knees are in a straight line under the hip joints and hands are under the shoulder line or slightly forward if too great a load is created on the wrist. Spinal mobility, aligning the curves while standing. Aim of exercise: improve segmental mobility of the spinal vertebrae and drill postural position while standing. Instructions: from standing position, full forward flexion with rounded back, vertebrae after vertebrae. Return from flexion to standing, with rounded back while Gluteal muscles, cross fiber. Intention of the exercise: release gluteal and deep external rotators muscles. Description and instructions: sit along the roller,